What's going on, everyone? Kodetra here, and today we're going to be talking about the most effective and quickest way to earn over $1,000 a day with AI and Chat GPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. And I'm also going to be giving you a bunch of other really cool stuff. I'm going to be giving you a checklist, a VIP community, 2 softwares that I've been using daily over the last few years. So I hope you're excited. And if you're excited, let me know in the comments below that you're taking action. It helps me to be able to make more videos like this for you guys in the future. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into exactly what we need to get started and how this actually works. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you want to go over to aiarmyclone.com. You're going to get free course and some other bonuses as well. And that will take you to where you're going to be able to get the digital playbook, which is this Google checklist right here. And this is where I would start. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to get this software called Go High Level. And it's basically an all-in-one platform that allows you to send emails, schedule out content, and also build websites or funnels. So it's actually a necessity. Any type of CRM is, but in this case, I like to use High Level. So once you sign up for that, you're going to get taken to a dashboard that looks like this. And what's in my other area, as you can see how I changed, that just means I have 2 sub accounts. The areas that I want to be talking about today are going to be marketing, automations, and then sites. So let's go back over here to the digital playbook. This is where I would start. It's just read through the FAQs. I call it a checklist because over here I give you drop-down areas for you to check off. So you want to get the 14-day free trial, and then you're going to want to import a snapshot. And what a snapshot is it basically means that it's taking everything in my account and you're able to import it into your own account. So you're going to have all my funnels, you're going to have all my email automations, you're going to have everything that you would need to get started on my custom values, and it makes everything super simple. So you'll have all these funnels right here. You'll have all the websites, but more importantly, you'll be able to get all these automations right here. Email automations, opt-ins, deadline sequences, booking confirmations, so a bunch of really cool things. But none of this stuff matters if you don't know how to set anything up. So let's go back to the playbook here. You got your link. Now this is you'll be able to book a call with High Level Success Team if you have any trouble, but also if you just join our community, I'm active in there every day. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Setting up your accounts. If you're on YouTube, or if it's 2024, almost 2025, I would assume that you have a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Setting up your avatar. So this is how I'm able to create my AI army. If you want to know how to actually do the back end stuff of it, here's a YouTube video for you, but I'm going to go ahead and jump in and show you what this is. So basically, you are able to take prompts, and once you train this on your images, you are able to create things by just typing it in. So let's say that, so I'm always going to be typing mic because that is the trigger word that I've trained it to know, that when it types mic, that means it needs to use the pictures of my face. So mic, I had some pizza, so let's talk about me. It's loading. For some reason, it gave me some curly hair. That's okay. Some pizza. But as you can see, it actually kind of looks like me. Now, if we go back to the aspect ratio, we can change that to 1:1 if we're doing Instagram, or what is it, 16:9 if we want to make thumbnails. This is what I like to make thumbnails. So this is going to be the, what's the word for it? Lifeblood of your AI army. So this is the back of my head, I guess, but this is me in a room full of AI robots. So what you would do is you would prompt yourself in a bunch of these videos, and then we're able to put them all together. But I'm kind of jumping ahead a little bit. So we have the AI avatars and we have all of our content created. Then you want to set up your social media scheduler, which is under marketing if we go to go high level. As you can see right here, I have pretty much all of December already scheduled out with some of my content that I generate. And this makes everything so much easier, because the whole point of this is we're trying to automate our content creation that allows us to drive traffic to different links. And if we're having to schedule out content every single day, that's just time consuming. So getting a content schedule like this makes life and makes content creation easier and more enjoyable, in my opinion. So once we have all of our content scheduled out like this, then we are good to go. But you might be asking, well, how are we making money? So you're making money by going over here to AI tools, and you're going to pick a tool that you want to promote as far as create content to, or join their affiliate program and send them to a link. All the ones up here I like and use. This is a new tool right here called Traffic ID. Basically what it is it allows you to put a pixel on your website, and even if someone comes to your website, about 30 to 40% of the time, you'll be able to get some of their information. I don't know how they do it, but I would definitely check them out. Whether you're a marketing brand, an agency, this is something that not only you could become an affiliate for, but you could be using in your own business. But the other question is that I get a lot is, what if I don't want to create content, or what if I don't want to create my AI stuff? Well, you don't have an excuse, because under here, short form videos, I have drives of done for you content that you can just upload. Now, I would not suggest you just downloading these straight and uploading them. I would say put them into CapCut, maybe add a filter or some overlay, just something that doesn't make it so that you get, like, you could get not copyright, but like it wouldn't get seen by as many people because they're not original. So take these, download them, but look, you have a good almost a year's worth of done for you content. But the point of this is for when you get this digital playbook, the first month you use this content just to start getting familiar with the process. But then after that, you're in replicate, building your own stuff, and you are using AI to create your AI army. Now, I know in this video, I went kind of fast, but that is why I have this checklist for you to go through and check everything off and take your time. If you take a couple of weekends to really study this, watch the tutorials, you'll be surprised about how far you can get. And it's all about taking action. So just to go through it, get that 14-day free trial. You can join a kickoff call with me where I can help you set up everything on your systems. If not, there's a free course right here where you can go step by step yourself. All the done for you short form content, a list of 130 plus affiliate tools that you can use, and you have everything that you can start making money online using AI. So that's it for this video, AI pros, and I will see you in the next one.